This is Disneyland News Today. I'm Eric Morton, and here now are the top Disneyland Resort stories for June 30th, 2022. Disneyland Resort hotels have new offerings starting this summer, in addition to the discounts we already reported on. Starting August 8th, Disneyland Resort hotel guests will be able to visit the theme parks 30 minutes before they are open to regular guests. Valid park admission and a park pass reservation are still required for early entry, just like at Walt Disney World. Early entry will be available on every day at Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure, with select attractions, dining, and shopping open to hotel guests. Package delivery will also be available beginning on August 8th. Hotel guests will be able to have their in-park purchases sent to their hotel for pickup the next day. Summer pool parties will be happening daily at 3 Disneyland Resort hotels from July 1st to August 31st. These pool parties, including games and music, will be half-hour, and they will include visits from Disney characters. Preferred Dine access is coming soon to Disneyland Resort hotel guests. Here is how Disney describes the offer. Preferred Dine access will offer you, as a Disneyland Resort hotel guest, the opportunity to have preferred access to a limited number of reservations at select hotel table service restaurants during the dates of your hotel stay. Reservations are still subject to availability and may not be available on holidays or during special events. Disneyland will release more information soon. Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage will finally reopen at Disneyland Park on July 25th. And Hank, the septopus from Finding Dory, has joined the attraction. Imagineers also upgraded the attraction's various set pieces, special effects, and lighting. We could see fresh paint from the monorail during our visits in these past few months, and the ride's lagoon was refilled in May. You can watch a behind-the-scenes video about the refurbishment of Finding Nemo Submarine Voyage on our site. As we revealed earlier this month, Disney will be sharing more details on its upcoming Princess and the Frog overlay to Splash Mountain next month at the Essence Festival of Culture in New Orleans. A panel schedule for Disney's presence at this event shows a couple possible points for Disney to slip in some information about the new attraction, particularly on July 1st at 2:30 p.m. The Tiana Reimagined panel will showcase news of Princess and the Frog and reveal of Tiana's new look, which could, of course, point to the attraction overlay. Other chances include Disney, The Power of Joy, What's Next at 11:50 a.m. on July 1st, and a TBD event at 3:10 p.m. on July 2nd. The attraction overlay was first announced in 2020, with a closure date for Splash Mountain at Disneyland and Walt Disney World still up in the air. 2 holiday season staples of the Disneyland Resort will return to the parks this year. Believe in Holiday Magic will take to the skies above Disneyland Park, and World of Color Season of Light will enchant Paradise Bay each night. At Disneyland Believe in Holiday Magic, the staple of the park since 2000, they will create lovely holiday memories with fireworks, projection mapping around Main Street, USA, and on the facade of It's a Small World in Fantasyland, and over 80,000 twinkling lights covering Sleeping Beauty Castle, culminating in a snowfall on Main Street, USA every single night. Meanwhile, at Disney California Adventure, World of Color Season of Light, ever prone to multi-year absences, will finally return for the first time since 2019 to the waters of Paradise Bay. In this special overlay to the classic show, over 120 characters from 30 Disney Pixar films help celebrate the season and what makes the holidays so special. The Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique will reopen at Disneyland Park on August 25th. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique has been closed for over 2 years due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique is a salon where children aged 3 to 12 can undergo a royal transformation with packages including hairstyling, makeup, nail polish, outfits, and more. Reservations for both boutiques will open in early August. 3 new legacy lightsaber hilt sets are coming soon to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge at both Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resort. Disney already revealed Plo Koon's lightsaber hilt set at Star Wars Celebration last month. We now know the hilt will be available at Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities in both parks beginning July 8th. Fans were invited to vote on the next legacy lightsaber hilt. The winner has been revealed to be the lightsaber of Padawan Caleb Doom, Kanan Jarrus. Kanan, once Caleb Dune, was a main character in Star Wars Rebels. He kept his lightsaber hidden in plain sight in pieces on his belt. He also briefly appeared with this lightsaber as a Padawan in Star Wars: The Bad Batch. Disney did not announce when the hilt would be available. Lastly, another set of legacy lightsaber hilts inspired by Ahsoka Tano will soon be available as well. These curved hilts are modeled after the sabers she uses in Star Wars Rebels. The limited edition set comes in a display case that plays Ahsoka's theme when opened and includes a numbered plaque. There will be only 6,000 of this set worldwide. Paper coasters taken home from Oga's Cantina will break down after a while, but wood coasters can last through all your beverage adventures. These new engraved wood coasters feature the designs from the much sought-after coasters used in the bar, but in a more resilient medium. We found them at Jewels of Bith in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Disneyland. The set is $24.99. These 4 coasters are engraved or burned into some wood in 4 different designs. The coasters are roughly a 1/4 of an inch thick, definitely more sturdy than their paper counterparts. You can support the entire team behind this show and others by joining the WDWNT Interglobe Society at patreon.com/WDWNT. Get access to exclusive content, discounted show and event tickets, and more. A special shout out to all the WIGS members watching who make this show happen every single week. Reservations are now available for Blue Bayou Restaurant in New Orleans Square at Disneyland. The restaurant opened a few weeks ago after a refurbishment, but only accepted walk-ins. Guests can now make reservations in a Disneyland app or on the Disneyland website. A host of exciting new dishes are on the menu at Café Orleans in Disneyland, and we stopped by to give them a taste. You can check out our review of every new appetizer, entree, and even the desserts on DisneylandNewsToday.com. The official Disneyland Resort Twitter account sent out a video riddle teasing 2 new villains who will be in attendance along the immersive tree trail at Oogie Boogie Bash in Disney California Adventure later this year. The 2 images given to us are a wilting flower in a teapot and 3 candles going out. Theories on the identity of the characters run rampant, but they are speculated to be Madame Mim from The Sword and the Stone, that would be the wilting flower image, and Mother Gothel from Tangled, that would be the 3 candles. But what do you think? Let us know in the comments below. A new audition posted to the Disney Live Entertainer Auditions portal this week shows that the Disneyland Resort is searching for actors to play Wong from the Marvel Cinematic Universe Doctor Strange films. The audition runs through July 7th, seeking strong comedic actors 5'9" to 5'11" to portray Wong based on the character performed by actor Benedict Wong in the films Doctor Strange and Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Auditions are via online submissions. Qualified actors are 18 and older with authorization to work in the United States. More details can be found on the Disney Live Entertainment Audition portal. Seaside Souvenirs has reopened at Paradise Gardens Park in Disney California Adventure after a brief refurbishment. We thought the merchandise location might be getting a new name after Seaside Souvenirs was removed from the billboard during the refurbishment. The new walkway from Disney California Adventure to Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel is next to Seaside Souvenirs. The decorative yellow suns have been removed from columns of the exterior of Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel at Disneyland Resort. We saw work being done on the suns earlier this month, and now, well, it looks like they were just getting ready to remove them. The suns were previously covering the clusters of white light fixtures visible in these photos here. Paradise Pier Hotel will be rethemed to the art of Pixar, and suns are set to be replaced with Luxo balls as seen in this concept art. New discounts are available at all 3 Disneyland Resort hotels from August 7th through September 29th. With this summer savings offer, guests can save up to 25% off select stays. Here's the breakdown. Disney's Grand California Hotel and Spa, guests can save up to 25% off select stays of 4 nights or longer. In general, they can save up to 20% on standard and premium rooms. At Disneyland Hotel, guests can also save up to 25% off select stays for 4-night stays or longer for standard and premium rooms. Guests can save up to 10% on standard and premium rooms at Disney's Paradise Pier Hotel. This may be a good opportunity to stay at the hotel before it's rethemed to Pixar. Take advantage of these offers. Guests must book before September 22nd, and travel must be completed by September 30th of 2022. The offers are available on most Sunday through Thursday nights from August 7th through September 29th. For the absolute latest Disneyland news, head on over to DisneylandNewsToday.com and follow us on your favorite social media platforms. If you're enjoying the show, be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDW News Today on YouTube for more great content, click the bell for notifications, and hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of Disneyland News Today. For DLNT, this is Eric Morton saying enjoy the rest of your today and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
WDW News Tonight is our weekly comedy show combining the news of the week, comedy segments, thoughtful discussions, insane characters, parody commercials, games, and more. Watch live on Thursdays at 9 p.m. and become a WIGS member to get access to a bonus post show. Watch WDW News Tonight episodes anytime and live on YouTube, or get the audio-only version on iTunes and other podcast services.